Hi guys, what's up everybody? Praise Jesus. Welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, kindly subscribe and join the family for simple recipes. Today's recipe, I'm going to cook spring rolls. I'm going to use red onions, spring onions, cabbage, carrots, and breast chicken. Add some cooking oil on a wide pan. Followed by red onions. Once the onions are translucent, add in your breast chicken. Add chicken masala, garlic powder, onion powder, dried rosemary, paprika for color and taste, for the spices, I normally don't purchase them in the supermarket. I prefer to buy them fresh at a shop located in Yamakima. Spicy green pepper, a pinch of salt, add in your cabbage, followed by carrots, you can also make spring roll using beef or vegetables. Add dark soy sauce, ensure to give a good stir. Lastly, add your spring onions. The good thing with breast chicken, cook very fast, so the fillings are almost ready. I'm going to make the wraps in 2 ways, so keep watching. In a mixing bowl, add 1 1/3 cup of flour, half teaspoon of salt, I'm going to use lukewarm water, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, continue mixing to combine everything together. Brush your butter on a pan. At this point, ensure your stove is off. Then switch it on to the lowest settings. After 1 to 2 minutes, you will notice your dough is coming on. Be very gentle when lifting it off. Repeat the procedure till done. Cover your wraps to prevent them from drying up. You can also use these wraps to make your samosas. Place a scoop of your fillings on top of the wrap and wrap them. Seal using a paste and voila, your spring roll are done. The second way of making the wraps is the old way of peeling. In case you want to learn how I've done it from scratch, you can watch my video of samosas. Kindly help me to get to 1,000 subscribers by telling a friend to tell a friend. I'm going to make samosas with the remaining wraps. Preheat some cooking oil, then deep fry. If you are going to store some, ensure to sprinkle some flour on top of them. In case you are new here, karibu sana, and thank you so much to my returning subscribers. God bless you for me. Just in 10 to 15 minutes, you have your spring rolls. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Kindly let me know any recipe you love to see me posting on this platform. Spring rolls are good for breakfast or just snacking. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you until my next video.